Would you like to wake up every day feeling energized? What if I told you that by incorporating 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar each day you can boost your health and energy? I have personally tried this method and had success. I encourage everyone to give this method a try. You might be wondering how it works. Apple cider vinegar helps your body reach an alkaline pH level. You want your body to be alkaline, but often our body is more acidic due to the foods and drinks we put into it. Apple cider vinegar is known for containing vitamins, minerals, amino acids, organic acids, and citric acids. It also has magnesium and B6. Both are nutrients that people are often low in. Apple cider vinegar helps to detoxify your body. Part of having it balance your pH is that it stimulates your cardiovascular system. This helps in the circulation. Apple cider vinegar also helps to detoxify the liver. Apple cider vinegar also helps break up mucous membranes and cleans your lymph system. This can help shorten your time fighting a cold and help in reducing sore throats and headaches. It can also help you lose weight, specifically belly fat. Several studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can make you feel more satisfied, which will help you in consuming less calories, and this can equal pounds lost over time. It also lowers blood sugar and insulin levels, which will help you with the snack attack cravings people have throughout the day. Apple cider vinegar also contains pectin, which acts like a prebiotic. Prebiotics are healthy bacteria we want in our gut to help with digestion, similar to a probiotic. You may have heard probiotics being a big benefit of eating yogurt. Now that you're interested, I want to share that not all apple cider vinegar is equal. My go-to brand is Bragg. Regardless of the brand you choose, you want to look for the one with the mother. It's the most beneficial part. Although I must warn you, it does not taste good. Calling it sour would be an understatement. It can also wreak havoc on your teeth, so you want to be mindful of that. You don't want to pour a glass and continuously sip on it throughout the day, because the acid will damage your teeth. You want to take it and then rinse your mouth out. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apples, which is how it gets its name. We've all grown up hearing the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Both my friends and I rely on apple cider vinegar to give us an immune boost when we're feeling sick and a kick of energy when we are feeling down. So we've all tried it. Will you?